It's 12:30 in the morning on June 18th, 2024. A Sag Harbor police officer is on patrol in the Hamptons, one of the wealthiest beach communities in the United States, about 100 miles east of New York City. He spots a BMW drifting left, failing to stop at a stop sign, and pulls it over. The driver steps out. The officer immediately notices the smell of alcohol and bloodshot eyes. Then comes the answer no one expected. "I'm on a world tour. I'm Justin Timberlake." One of the most recognizable pop stars in the world had just been pulled over for suspected drunk driving.
What's your name?
Justin Timberlake.
You are Justin Timberlake?
Yeah.
Do you have a license with you?
World tour.
So the reason for the stop is because you keep veering off to the left, and then you're not stopping at the stop signs.
Yeah. Sorry about that. Hard to explain. World tour. I'm Justin Timberlake.
Is this your vehicle? Whose vehicle is it?
It's just a rental.
It's a rental? Okay. Do you have any registration with it? Do you know if they can put it in the glove box?
Let me check.
How long are you renting it for?
Just for a couple of days.
What are you visiting?
Yeah, I'm on tour.
What are you doing?
I'm on a world tour.
Of what?
A world tour.
Doing what?
The officer approaches and focuses on the details: the odor of alcohol, the eyes, the responses. Timberlake is calm and cooperative, but things don't fully add up. He says the car is a rental, that he's only been in town a couple of days, and that he's just following friends home. When asked what he's doing in the area, he repeats that he's on a world tour. The officer asks what kind. Timberlake pauses, struggling to explain, then repeats it again. "A world tour. I'm Justin Timberlake." The officer doesn't react. He asks for a license and continues like any other stop.
What's your name?
Justin Timberlake.
You are Justin Timberlake?
Yeah.
Do you have a license with you?
World tour. I'm Justin Timberlake.
What's your name?
Justin Timberlake.
You are Justin Timberlake?
Yeah.
Do you have a license with you?
Yeah, I do.
The next step is standard procedure: field sobriety tests on the side of the road. Simple instructions: heel-to-toe steps, balance, eye movement. Timberlake tries to follow along but struggles to stay consistent. He apologizes, says he's nervous, and comments on how difficult the tests are. He refuses the breathalyzer. Under New York law, that refusal can be used as evidence. The officer observes the driving behavior, physical signs, and test performance, then makes a decision.
And then when we do this, just like you're doing right now, arms, feet together, arms by your side. You're doing it just now. I'm just going to re-explain it before we continue, okay? Arms by your side, feet together, and then you're going to keep your head straight and just keep your head straight. Only follow with your eyes, okay?
Okay.
You understand that? All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So left foot on the line. Left foot on the line first. And then you're going to put your right foot in front of your left, stay just like that. Okay? You're going to be heel to toe, like this. Heel to toe. Up. Put your left foot on the line. Yep. You're going to have your right foot in front of your left, heel to toe.
Here.
Okay, so we're going to put our left foot on the line first. Put your right foot in front of your left, heel to toe. And you can stay just like that, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So this is going to be a series of 9 heel-to-toe steps. I will demonstrate this like you're doing right now, like this. 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 9, followed by a series of small steps around. 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 9 back. This is going to be heel to toe, so you're going to be clicking your heels as you're going, arms by your side. While you're doing this, you're going to look down at your toes.
Guys, I'm just following my friends back to my house. I'm not doing anything. I'm just following my friends back to my house.
Will you do these tests?
Sure. And then just walk. I'm sorry. I'm
Here. Ready?
I'm a little nervous.
Left.
I'm just,
Right foot in front. You're gonna look down. Ready? 1, 2,
Okay.
3,
Got you.
4. Like that,
So
okay?
you-
Hang on.
so-
Let him tell you when to go. Let him tell you when to go. He's gotta tell you when to start, okay?
Sorry.
No, you're good. Don't worry about it.
Sorry.
No, I want to make sure. We want to make sure you do this
Foot on
right.
Right foot in front of your left.
Is this my line?
Whichever
Perfect, yep.
imaginary line you make, that's the line you're gonna walk.
1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000.
a couple tests on to make sure he's okay to drive as well.
Remember, just continue. Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Right, gotcha.
Sorry. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000. You want me to keep going?
Yep. Yeah. Until I tell you to stop. Yep.
Okay. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000.
All right. That's all good. All right.
By the way, these are like really hard tests.
So the way this device works, you just put your lips over it and you blow into it like you're blowing a balloon. No?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. All right. At this point, based upon the observations, you're under the arrest for suspicion of driving while intoxicated. So what I would do, just turn around.
Guys, you know, man, like, I'm just following my friends home. I'm
All right. Just turn around for me, please. All right. I'll take you right on. 9-7 headquarters, 132, 192.
Based on my observations, you're under arrest for suspicion of driving while intoxicated. A friend nearby reacts immediately, asking officers not to take him and offering to drive him home instead. The requests are denied. Timberlake is placed in handcuffs and put into the back of a patrol car. He asks why he's being arrested. When told he'll be held overnight, he responds, "You guys are wild, man."
So at this point, he's coming with us. Okay.
No, he's not.
Yes, he is.
No, why?
He's being arrested for intoxicated.
Stop it.
DWI. Yes.
No way.
Yes.
Don't say it.
Yes. He's coming back with us. Okay. So you're okay to drive. Okay. I don't see any. Your eyes look perfectly fine. Your speech isn't slurred.
You're
so if
you're
you're
arresting Justin Timberlake right now?
yeah. we
Stop
are.
it.
Yes.
Why?
He was driving drunk.
Okay. All right. Just take a seat. Right now, he's under arrest
Under arrest?
for driving while intoxicated.
Stop it. Justin Timberlake's under arrest. Can you help me, please? Can we do anything? Can you please stop it? I'll do anything.
No, it is what it is at this point, okay?
No, you can't, like, put him in jail.
He's going to be held for the night.
I
And then
can't
he's
take him home?
He's arraigned
No.
for the morning.
There has to be a moment of talking.
No. Not anymore.
Please help me!
Not anymore.
Hold on.
Okay.
So
Hold on.
this
Can
is,
I?
This is the registration of the vehicle. Just make sure it stays with the vehicle, okay?
I have his phone.
Yeah.
Yep.
Can you guys please just do me a favor? Because you loved bye 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 or
I'm
like
happy-
sexy back.
so-
Like,
I'm
do
happy-
me one favor. Let me ask him if he wants me to give him his phone.
Yeah. I mean,
This is
that's-
insane.
So it's not going to be a long thing. I'll let you walk up real quick.
Please.
Throughout the encounter, he remains calm and cooperative. He says he had one martini, that he was just following friends, that he didn't mean any harm. He thanks the officers for doing their job. There's no argument about the process, just an attempt to explain his side.
Okay, so my partner here, I don't know the details obviously, I wasn't the one to stop to. My partner here observed you, some kind of traffic violation, started a traffic stop, believed you have impairment, did a series of routine tests on you, right? Field sobriety tests, okay? You performed poorly on those, okay? Based off of his observations, you are intoxicated.
okay.
So you were under arrest for DWI, okay?
Okay.
Okay, awesome. All we're asking is if you understand what was just read to you.
Yeah, I hear you.
Perfect.
And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna reread this again. We're gonna go through the rest of it, but at this
No,
at
I
this
got
point,
you. I got you.
At this point, it asks for initials. If you don't want an initial, you're not required to. You can't be forced to. And then I will read the rest of it. Okay? Will you initial or no?
No.
Okay.
No.
I'll read the rest of it for you.
Guys, like,
Now, do you consent or refuse to the chemical test?
No, I'm not doing the chemical test. Like, guys, I don't mean no harm. Like,
I understand. We believe you to be under the influence of alcohol
okay.
and operating a motor vehicle, right?
Okay, but I don't mean no harm.
I didn't say you did, right? Everyone makes a mistake or two in their life, right? You had too much to drink, you drove the car, right?
Okay.
It's whatever, you know. I'm not here to judge you. We got a job today.
Yes, sir.
I appreciate your understanding.
By the way, I appreciate that you're doing that.
Appreciate that. Thank you.
Yeah. What was the traffic violation I missed?
I observed you.
Just so I know for future reference.
I observed you failing to fully stop at the stop sign, and then while you were driving, you failed to keep right on numerous occasions. So you were very.
Wait. Start over. Sorry.
So
One more time.
you failed to stop at the stop sign, and then while you were operating the motor vehicle, you failed to keep right on your side of the roadway, and you continuously moved off and veered to the left of the roadway.
Okay. Well, I was just following my friends.
Okay. Yeah, I understand, but we are where we are right now. Okay.
You boys treat me like I'm a criminal.
I don't want to say that because, I mean, you're being arrested, so for misdemeanor DWI. I don't like to call names, Mr. Timberlake, but which is the situation that we're in, unfortunately, okay? I'm trying my best to treat you like anybody else, okay? I appreciate your cooperation.
Yeah, man.
A lot of people don't cooperate like this, so it goes a long way in my book. I appreciate it.
Hey, can I ask you a question?
Yeah, happy to answer anything I can.
Is this the normal process?
Yeah, everything is pretty standard. Nothing of the ordinary. We do this for everyone that gets arrested for DWI. Is there anything specifically about it you are wondering, or just...
No. I just wondered, like you really cuff people up and like.
Yeah. I mean, you're in our custody. We have to make sure that people who we lock up here don't leave. You know, you can't just leave. We got to process you, everything like that. Your safety, our safety, things like that. It's just standard protocol.
Gotcha. I appreciate you boys for doing your job, man.
I appreciate that you understand that we got to do
I
our thing.
appreciate you boys for doing your job. I had one martini and I followed my friends home, and I appreciate you boys for doing your job. Yeah.
Just look it over real quick before you sign.
White? I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, man.
A short clip of the arrest leaked online and spread quickly, but the full body cam footage, nearly 8 hours, was not released at the time. His legal team moved to block it, citing privacy concerns and potential reputational damage. Media outlets pushed for its release under public records laws. After months of legal back and forth, a redacted version was released in March 2026.
So you're being held for the night, and then in the morning is the arraignment. So in the morning, usually around 9:30.
Being held all night?
It might not be this one. You might be over at the other one, and they actually have blankets for you.
Yo, you guys are wild, man.
And again, like I said, you can make a phone call if you would like. The attorney and things like that, you're allowed to call right now if you wish, or you can call later.
Yeah, at any point you want to make a phone call, let us know.
Yeah.
Right.
You are entitled to have phone calls.
In September 2024, he accepted a plea deal. He pleaded guilty to a reduced charge, driving while ability impaired, a non-criminal violation in New York. He received a $500 fine, a 90-day license suspension, and 25 hours of community service. As part of the agreement, he also recorded a public safety message, encouraging people not to drive after drinking. His attorney maintained that he had only one drink and should not have been arrested. The reduced reduced charge doesn't fully confirm or deny that, but it does close the case. The entire incident was captured on BodyCam from the initial stop to the arrest. No exceptions, no changes in procedure, just a traffic stop, a series of tests, and a decision made in real time. Do you think the officer made the right call, or should this have been handled differently?